In this module, we will learn how to develop a ledger account. What is the format of a ledger account? And do recall your memories that ledger account is in fact giving us a summary of a specific accounting head. So ledger account is a very important document to learn. So in a ledger account, what we see that traditionally or conventionally, ledger account is prepared in T form. Yes, in T form, an alphabet of English language. So T is a letter sign in which we develop this ledger account. So ledger account comprises of three main parts. One is the title of the ledger account. The second one is the debit side, which is always the left-hand side. And the third one is the credit side, which is always right-hand side. So it will look like this. It's a T, you can observe. And in this T, this is its title. We will put the name of ledger account over here. Supposedly, sales account. So title would be sales account. Then debit side. It is the side in which it is left-hand side always. Remember, conventionally, left-hand side over T account is known as debit side. And right-hand side over T account is known as credit side. So these are the conventions that we have to follow. So this is a ledger account or a simple format of a ledger account which is prepared as a summary for a specific accounting head. So if we see a detailed format of a ledger account, what we observe that there are two types or two styles in which a ledger account can be developed. One is T account style, where you can see that this is the line that is dividing debit and credit, or if you just put a line over here, so what you see that it becomes T. Okay? So this is the format of T account or a ledger account in T account style. So date, particular, post reference and rupee comes over here. Date, particular, post reference and rupee come over here. Yes, you're very rightly recalling it. Just we learned it in single column cash book. Okay, exactly. It is the same style that we learned in the single column cash book. Well, it is the same T account style. Okay, the next style that we see is a running balance style. In running balance style, the important thing is that we shall get balance after each recording, either that is debit recording or that is a credit recording. Here we shall get a balance. For example, on 1st January, because of debtors, say we are preparing ledger account of sales. Okay, it is sales account. On 1st January, because of debtors, the sales account is being credited with 1,000. So here we shall have credit 1,000. Although we will learn it in detail, but since we had already learned the T account style in cash book, that's why I'm just giving you the idea right over here that how this running balance style ledger account will be prepared. And supposedly on 5th of Jan, there is cash sales transaction of 7,000. So the balance 8,000 will be here. Okay. Or if you want to prepare cash book in this running balance style, since we have already learned this cash book, so just write cash account or cash book over here. On 1st of Jan, because of supposedly capital, whatever the post reference, we have received 1,000 in cash, and supposedly on 2nd of Jan, we bought computer for, say, just for the sake of example, for 200. So 1st of Jan, we are having a debit balance of 1,000, and on 2nd of January, after making payment of 200 from this 1,000, again we are having a debit balance, but that has been reduced to 800. And let's suppose on 3rd of January, we are having cash sales. Suppose that is of 500. So debit is increasing. So this debit, which is our debit 800 balance, will now become debit 1300 balance. So this is how we prepare a ledger account in running balance style. So ledger account can be prepared in T account style as well as running balance style. The important tips to remember in this module are that for beginners, T account style is easy to understand. I believe that you are feeling so that T account style is easier than the running balance style. So it is easy. And particularly running balance style is used when we are having accounting software with us. So practically speaking, running balance method is used. Or if you will observe our bank statements, these are maintained in running balance style. So by the way, practically you will see that running balance style is used in an accounting, through an accounting software, or practically we use that. And running balance style gives balance after each posting that you have also observed in the example that we just did. Thank you.